Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mazda CX-9 FWD versus AWD. Front-wheel drive, or FWD, sends power to the front wheels, which is common for everyday driving. All-wheel drive, or AWD, intelligently distributes power to all four wheels, providing better traction. This fundamental difference impacts how your vehicle handles various road conditions and overall driving experience. When it comes to performance, FWD Mazda CX-9 models often deliver slightly better fuel economy due to less drivetrain weight. However, AWD offers superior grip, especially during acceleration and cornering, enhancing stability. The added weight of the AWD system can slightly alter the vehicle's feel, making FWD feel a bit more nimble in some situations. Considering the financial aspect, FWD versions of the Mazda CX-9 typically come with a lower initial purchase price. The AWD system, with its additional components, can lead to slightly higher maintenance costs over the vehicle's lifespan. It's also worth noting that insurance premiums could see minor variations between the two drivetrain options. Ultimately, your choice depends on your driving needs. FWD is an excellent choice for city driving in regions with mild weather, offering good efficiency. If you frequently encounter challenging weather, like snow or heavy rain, or plan for light off-roading, AWD provides significant advantages in traction and control. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.